Well, hello there. I just had a guy ask me to do a video on adjusting this mirror, or not the mirror, but the headlights, the low beams. I usually have a plastic screwdriver, but I'm in the middle of a move, so I'll just use a towel to kind of get underneath there. There we go. And just pop that plastic off. It's just those really simple clips that kind of clip right in. But I'll get a light. My light's over there. Sorry, I should have had the light ready. Where is my, there it is over there. Okay, so what you gotta do, the adjustment is way down here, way down in there. So you need a really good light and a long screwdriver. It could be thin enough, or it's a Phillips, but a flat one will work. So you gotta sit, let me see if I can get way down in there, and you gotta find it. It's really hard to see. You feel around, it takes a while sometimes, but it's way down here. Maybe I'll take my glasses off and I can see better because I'm nearsighted. Whoa, it's really hard to see tonight. Sometimes you just gotta feel for it. Ah, I see it. Way over here. You could probably take, there we go, I found it. Okay, so I've already turned it like 8 full turns. I'm gonna turn it even more because I want there we go, probably turn about 3 more turns. But that's all you do, you find that little screw down there and it raises these low beams up. On the gold wing right behind me, it's easy to do because there's just a button. You just got a button right here. You put it neutral, you can raise and lower the low beams all by itself, but this is a little bit more work. And it's pretty easy. You just gotta pop these off and then these just pop right back on. There you go. Easy as that. So those will pop right back on, and now when it gets dark is when I ride because it's so hot here. So I'll give it a try and see where it's at tonight. That's pretty easy. Except finding the little screws the hardest part. Bye.